first thing first, I change into something really comfortable because yeah, we are going to remove our makeup. I'm going to show you the steps that I do for removing. So I'm going to start with this Yardley London fragrance wipes. These I love these wipes. Some wipes are really harsh on the skin, so but I really like this wipe. So yeah, I'm just going to take out one wipe from this. This is a pack of 10 wipes, so I'm just going to take out one wipe from this. That's it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this one wipe for my whole face. You see how this removed the makeup? It is a really good product when it comes to removing the makeup. And this is not at all harsh on the skin. Can you see that? This is not at all harsh on the skin too. So I'm just going to, you see that? This removes the makeup instantly. And you just need one wipe. Some wipe brands that you can opt for, one is this Yardley, another one is Cara or Cara, I don't know the pronunciation. That is also really good. And you can also opt for Himalaya wipes. They are also really good. The next step in my routine is I just wetted कोई word नहीं होता यार. And just अपना face अभी थोड़ा सा गीला किया है. And I'm going to use this Kaya Brightening Beads Cleanser. This is a cleanser. And I really love this when you have to remove your makeup. So I'm just going to take this much product. That's it. This cleanser is really good, and I think this works on all skin types. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face, and then I'm going to massage it later. Oh god. Just going to apply this. Now I'm just going to massage this all over my face. So this really helps remove all your makeup, and this is not at all harsh. This has very small particles in it, and I really love this product. This is not very expensive too. Kaya products are really good. I really love Kaya products. I'm using this face wash from Plum. This is the pore cleansing face wash, and as you can see it has very gel like consistency. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to massage it on my hand and then apply it on my face. This has a very gel like consistency, and this has very small particles. This is really soft. Just going to massage it really well on my skin for like 5 minutes, and then I am going to wash my face. I have heard so much about this face wash. So this is the small pocket size, and this is for 99 rupees. So yeah, if I like this face wash, then I'm going to buy the bigger one. I'm just going to wait for 5 minutes and wash it off. Now I'm going to apply a face scrub, and I have this Mama Earth Cocoa face scrub. This has coffee and cocoa powder. So this is paraben free, and this suits all skin types. So I have never tried this product. So let's see. I'm just going to take a little bit product. Oh, this smells like chocolate. I love everything chocolate and coffee. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, this has like a little as compared to the cleanser, a little bit big particles. So I'm just going to, wow, this smells divine. I really love the smell of anything chocolate. This smells so good. And the particles are not so big. so they are not at all rough on your skin. So I really love this product. It doesn't feel very sticky or something, and my skin feels really soft. So I'm just going to keep massaging for 2-3 minutes, and then I'm going to wash this off. I'm going to be applying this Nivea Aloe Hydration Cream. This works really good. I really love this moisturizer. I'm just going to apply it all over my face. That's all the product I'm going to take, and then I'm just going to massage it really well. Just going to massage this product really well in my skin. This is not too thick, and this gives the hydration I need. This really works well for winters. And so yeah, the second last step to my skincare routine is serum, face serum. So I'm going to use this Caffeine coffee face serum. I don't know, I'm just in love with coffee, so I'm going to take a little bit all across my face. I'm going to apply this all over my face, and then I'm just going to massage this on my face. I really love this product. I mean, this is so soft. At first this product will seem a little bit sticky, but that's it. But after some time this feels so super soft. I'm just going to massage it really well and just pat everything in. Final step is lip balm. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of lip balm. This is the Lakme Lip Love Lip Care lip balm in the strawberry shade, and this is the whole skincare routine, my post makeup skincare routine. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Tell me in the comments what all video you would like to see next, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. So yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.